Alright, today this is Chris1, and I'm going to show you how to clean an Xbox if it gets to 3 rings of death. This one's messed up. I'm just doing this for educational purposes only. You either want to get some rubbing alcohol or this Arctic Clean thermal paste and remover and primer type thing where you can put more thermal paste on. This Xbox is broke and everything. I got my rubbing alcohol in the lid. You just want to take it, rub it on here. There'll be like Arctic Cat silver thermal paste on here. Just get it all nice and off. And then you want to take after you get it all nice and off, like you want it to be looking like this right here. And when you get it all nice and looking like that, you just take. You might have to use 2 or 3 Q-tips. You just want to get it nice and shiny where you can see yourself practically in it, and then you want to do the exact same thing to this one too. You just take it on there, get it nice and clean. There might be some like thermal paste and stuff on the outsides of this right here where I'm cleaning it right now. Just go ahead and clean it. And you take it, and clean it. You can clean the outsides where you got the little thermal cleaner. Alright, since this Xbox does not work at all because it's completely dead, it kills the power brick, so I'm not going to put the heat sinks back on. But once you do get it all fixed and everything, you want to put the heat sinks back on and everything, and just put them on like you originally would do. When I do it, I do the X-Clamp fix, and I put these in metal washers and nylon washers, and then when I bought it, it came with these little white compound stuff. And this is how you clean it. You want it get it to look like this, nice and clean. When you get it, you want to get thermal. Arctic Cat silver works the best, but that white stuff works just as good. You want to get it all nice and even spread in here, and you want to put some on your heat sink and your GPU key or whatever, the two metal things that sit right here. I forgot the name of them because I don't have an Xbox. I have a PlayStation 3, and you just want to put them right in here, you know. Okay. This is Chris1. Please rate, subscribe, and comment.